He's younger to me and I've always loved him as a person. But he's an extremely बहुत ही fine actor.
ठीक है. So this is basically regarding the social media and impact of social media of in promoting this game. And what do you think that medias like Facebook, Twitter, as they have billions, you yourself, your fan page has millions and millions of fans. So do you think this social media will be a new tool to actually promote movies as well as games, and it's actually increasing? Your take on that?
I think the game 100% because it is on that kind of platform. You know, it's on telephones, and I'm sure you can play it on the iPad, and it's more net related. So yes, but for a movie, I don't think so. It makes difference to a business really. It's nice for information. It's nice to get an instant feedback. But as far as India is concerned specifically, I don't think the social media's reach is as much as we would like it to be. But in the coming years, as social media and otherwise also just the net, the web being able to be accessed all around the country. See, we have movies not just releasing in Mumbai and Delhi. Movies are released deep inside the interiors of this country where still there's a huge gap in terms of being able to access things on the net because it's not available or it's very slow or the telephone systems have not upgraded to that level as yet. So it will happen, the feedback and marketing the film or making people aware of your product, but not at this point in time, it's not the best, at least in India. Internationally, yes, it really helps. Social media and the net helps in marketing your film, talking about the game that we're launching because also I think the audience right now on the net is a little more bent towards things like video games and maybe movies which are kind of a little more according to their kind of liking. But overall, I think, yeah, there's still another 3, 4, 5 years to go before the net can reach everywhere. I can't make out what you're saying, sorry.
उनका mic ले लिया.
Yeah, because after Pratik, the mic was supposed to be going that side.
Just give it to Pratik, please.
Just to tell you, sir, we three are the MBA grads, and we did the social media marketing. And what we see was the reach was there in Albania, in Brazil. The clicks were there, and the game is actually reaching parts and parcel of the due to social media. So
yeah, it will. It will. Like I said, internationally, yes, it makes a difference, and most certainly in terms of a game which can be downloaded through the net, I think it's going to make a huge effect. I mean, I think that's the biggest marketing for us right now for the game.
Okay, मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले अभिषेक से है because अभिषेक आपके रोल के लिए बहुत लोगों ने तारीफ की है, इंडस्ट्री ने और आपके फैंस ने भी बहुत प्रेज किया है आपको. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस चीज़ को लेकर? Would you like to do in future इस तरह के रोल्स को आप एक्सपेरिमेंट आगे भी करना चाहेंगे और यही रोल करें?
हाँ, मैं नंदू भेड़े का रोल ही हर पिक्चर में अभी करूँगा. I feel no, thank you सलमा. इससे पहले कि हम इस मंच पे आए, शाहरुख ने हमें पीछे बोला था कि बड़ी विनम्रता से पेश आइएगा आप सब, खास करके फारा को, जैसे आपने देखा ये तो उछल रही थी. तो हम इस कोशिश में हैं कि बहुत ही विनम्र हो के आपके सामने हम लोग बैठें, लेकिन सब लोग बहुत ही खुश हैं. देखिए, ऐसे मौका हम सबको शायद इन्हें हर पिक्चर में मिलता है, हम सबको हर पिक्चर में नहीं मिलता है. हम बहुत खुश हैं कि ये
बात करो तुम यार. Actually, if you go to really see on this munch, the biggest numbers, the biggest superstar is Abhishek. Bol Bachchan, Dhoom 3, and now Happy New Year. So please don't. And उसमें जरूरी नहीं कि हर कोई franchise
मौका नहीं मिलता. They only keep saying that's not my film.
और मैं इसके लिए थोड़ा सा आंसर करना चाहूँगा कि ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा क्योंकि मैंने इनके साथ काम किया, पहले भी किया है. He's younger to me and I've always loved him as a person. But he's an extremely बहुत ही fine actor है. और मेरा हमेशा ये मानना है कि जो लोग कॉमेडी में अच्छे होते हैं वो ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छे एक्टर होते हैं. कॉमेडी हर से की नहीं जाती. थोड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट है या फॉर्चुनेट है, हमेशा इनकी जो कॉमेडी फिल्म है उसके लिए एकदम फोर फ्रंट में आके दिखते हैं, जैसे नंदू भीड़े का जो कैरेक्टर है, जैसे बोल बच्चन में कैरेक्टर है. लेकिन आई रियली रियली बिलीव इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर्स. मैंने उस दिन भी दिल्ली में इनको बोला बहुत स्वीटली कि ही शुड रियली एक्सपेरिमेंट. ही इज़ वन ऑफ द फ्यू एक्टर्स हु कैन डू वेरी वेरी रोल्स and be liked and loved in all of them. So inshallah you should. And of course Happy New Year का franchise कर लेना, वो करते रहना, उसमें नंदू भिड़े ही रहना.
अभी Happy New Year को franchise ही बनाना है.
हाँ, उसको franchise.
और हम बस इस सोच में हैं कि अगले पार्ट को ईद मुबारक या हैप्पी दिवाली बुलाएं. और अगर हैप्पी दिवाली होगा तो उसे न्यू ईयर पे रिलीज करेंगे. So we're thinking of that. But I'd love to, Salma, I think it's a fantastic opportunity.
तेरा क्या रिश्ता है सलमा 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 तू बार बार कर रहा
उनका नाम है
Salma's right there.
Salma from
Salma,
Zoom.
please अपना जलवा दिखा दो सलमा.
है
Salma जरा खड़ी हो जाओ एक
Yes,
हाँ,
मिनट.
please Salma.
So it's a great opportunity. It's जैसे कि
Salma?
Yeah. जैसे कि आप लोग ने अभी कहा, the opening day was historic. We have had a record-breaking weekend. It's music to any actor's ears. We've all worked very hard, and I'm sure every actor on this stage will agree that the first credit has to go to these two people over here, because without them, this film would not have been possible.
And let's show some humility.
ओके
Yeah.
एक दूसरा सवाल है
And जवाब खत्म नहीं हुआ मेरा. हाँ.
जी बोलिए सर.
And we'd like to thank you all for all the support. And we're very, very happy. We might not show it right now because we don't want to get carried away with it. But we're immensely happy. Would I like to do comedy in the future? I'd love to. हम जितने भी थे backstage, we're trying to arm twist Farabia into making a part 2 of Happy New Year. Let's make this into a franchise also.